Hello and welcome once again back to my channel Be Your Best Version. I am Soma, your host, and today we are going to just go through our weekends. And before I even get to today, I just wanted to take a second and stop and say thank you very much for all the love and appreciation that I had within this very small community on the last video, which was what's in my bag. If you haven't watched it before, you can hop onto the channel and just watch that, and I will also leave a link in the description box below. So thank you once again for that. If you're here for the first time and you're very new, well, welcome. It's a very small community of people who like to have positive vibes, do a lot of things, love to do a lot of things, and videos are all about motivation, lifestyle, and just getting things done. So thank you once again for stopping by, and we'll just get started. So hit the pause button, get yourself a cup of tea and coffee and maybe something to nibble on, and then we'll just browse through the weekend. So I tried to do like Saturday and Sunday together this time instead of just filming like one day, but it's just a random weekend. So there were a couple of things and errands we had to run, and I'll take you along with shopping in Ikea. Well, literally I didn't shop, but we looked at a lot of things like inside small apartment Indian kitchens, which has to be like functional as well as look good also at the same time, because we're spending a lot of time in home. You do want your interiors to give you that positive, comfortable, chill out vibes. And also at the same time, there were a lot of little bit errands here and there, but mostly at home, watching Netflix, getting things done, spending time with my kid, getting his homework done, and of course, in the kitchen, cooking, cleaning, and random stuff like getting a lot of salad items delivered from Urban Kissan. So random stuff like that. But if you like this kind of video, do give it a thumbs up, so I know you are inclined to watch these kind of videos, so I'll make more of them maybe. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started, and thank you very much once again for stopping by.
Hey, hello, and good morning, and welcome to my life. This is just a regular morning, but we had some errands to run, and we were in IKEA for a while. And yeah, the reason being is, we wanted to look at the kitchen, like a small apartment in the kitchen kind of setup. So we went around all these kitchens, which were really nice to actually look at, and very organized in a very small space. So looked at a lot of drawers and cupboards and nooks and corners that you can transform effectively in a small space for your kitchen, and how you probably can get them redone, or something that looks great but also is functional, because in an Indian kitchen where you cook on a regular basis, it's so important, because looks just doesn't cut it unless it's functional for you, right? So that's what we did. We walked around a lot, looking at a lot of things, like measuring out things and all. And finally, Rio was more hungry than we, so we decided to, have lunch there. By the time we sat for lunch, we were like, our legs were really like hurting. So, a nice, comforting lunch, and then back home.
Well, I don't know you can tell, but I really slept for a while. It was so tiring walking around in IKEA for a while, because we're looking at multiple things like the kitchen and the wardrobe, and it took like almost like, I think, 2.5, 3 hours. And by the end of it, I think we were all very tired, and Rio wanted to get something to eat, so we did have a bit of lunch there. And then we were supposed to run another errand, but we were so tired, we just wanted to come home, and we did, and then we napped. So now I'm up, and just a cup of tea and a beautiful greenery to go with it.
So in the evening, he's just trying out some video games, and I binged on more of the interior shows that I've been recently watching, and I love it.
I'm going to clean up, put the dishes in the rack, and crack on with some dinner. Or actually, I think first I'm going to put the chicken in the you get it, oven. Okay. Alright, so I'm trying to find on hats where I can put my, I don't know if you can see, but anyways, I'm just going to
Most of the weekend evenings, I mean, regular everyday evenings are not as fancy because you have to take care of your home and you have to get things done. So it's just, running around the kitchen, trying to tidy it up, putting all the dishes at the place, and it's a kind of lot of work to get things done. And it's Sunday.
All right, so it's pretty late in the afternoon right now. It's still Sunday, and I have been very, very lazy. Let me know in the comment section below if you're the kind of, person, working woman, mom in the house who likes to take it little busy, or little easy on the weekend, or the kind of person who likes to like go, 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 let's get everything done on the weekend. I can sometimes be both, like I'm a mix. It really depends on my mood. It's been a very busy month. So I'm also trying to chill out a little. I've realized when I try to overdo myself and my schedule, sometimes things don't work out and I sort of feel exhausted or I'm too tired and things like that. So I haven't done much since morning. I have woken up and I worked out. This is my second month that I completed. So they say a new habit is usually like 66 days. So I have completed 60 days. I'm sorry you're seeing all this mess. So this is a laundry pile. I have to get it done. I've just a lot of work to get done. But anyway, so every time I talk about it, I stop doing it. But I'm hoping this is a more permanent change. That is why I didn't talk about it for at least like 60 days. My arms are hurting. I'm not sure how long I can hold my phone. So just worked out, had my breakfast. I'll show you this side, like how much I have to clean the reality of my table, a plate and bunch of stuff and everything. I have to get them all cleaned up. But also at the same time, I have to get lunch ready because, can I show you the watch? Okay, so you can see right there, right? It's almost 1. Everything is prepped up, so I had a lot of leftover rice. So what I'm going to do is just a simple yellow rice and an egg curry and a little bit of salad maybe with it. For me it's quinoa, and I'll have the egg curry and some veggies too. So yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna go get cooking, and then hopefully don't have any plans to go out. Initially I was thinking like there were a couple of things that we wanted to go around and see. I've been watching the entire morning today, an interior, can't remember the name, it's still on the TV. I'll definitely try to put the name of the show in the description box below, but basically it's just an interior show, and I kind of like it. I love interiors and spruced up thing, and the big reveal where people are like emotional and crying and things like that. Yeah, so just been watching that, and once you started you just want to watch all the episodes because exciting time. So let's go to the kitchen, clean up a little bit and get cooking, and then put on some music and just have a good Sunday. It's almost towards the end of the Sunday and I don't like the feeling. All right, in my kitchen, nothing much to show around other than the fact that I'm going to cook and everything is prepped here. Yeah, I was watching that, what I just mentioned, the interior thing show. I still want to watch it, but I put it on hold because I really want to like see it, the designing and stuff. So I just don't want it to be like in an automated mode while I cook. All right, so here we have some lal saag that is chopped and washed, and I'm going to get that going. There's a bit of leftover rice, which is become my lemon rice. There is garlic, and we have some cilantro, blah blah, kariya patta, just generic stuff. And we have 2 eggs. I'm not having an egg curry today. No reason, just don't feel like it. So no egg curries for me, but I'm going to cook for them. And for me, I think that's what I'm going to have. But maybe I'll make like a veggie fried rice with quinoa. So first thing first, I have to put you somewhere so I don't know exactly where. Does this work? Kind of, but I don't want you to fall off. What is this? Tea. Have a little bit of cold. These days it's kind of funny if you have cold, because the first thing you think is, am I like sick? I hate this trash bag thing. I should stand here and talk.
This is my new quinoa jar. Because I'm having it on a regular basis, I am just put it in water and boil it. So that's what I'm going to do. First, another thing that I thought I'll show you is this iron karai that I got. It's very handy, preferable, and I've tried to, you can still see I've still the non-stick ones, but I'm trying not to use them as much because it's not very healthy for you. And I got this, and I have another pan there, I'll show you later, which is just a basic iron karai that I got off Amazon. There was a discount, and I mean, it's supposedly very healthy for you because you get your daily dose of iron through it too. I saw it in a video of Rujita Divekar, so been trying to be healthy, so I thought, like, you know, just let's bring out all of it, all the chops. What I got myself is a zucchini. I had a little bit of bagan, half like left, so I'm gonna put a little bit of that. And hello Rio, I have a little bit of lettuce that I'm going to add at the end. This is from Urban Kissan. I have another, this is mint, that is also from Urban Kissan. Put that, and a little bit of leftover capsicum, onions, and you know, fancy stuff like that. So just really wash them, prep them.
And voila, there you go, yummy quinoa salad. I actually enjoy the crunchiness with the veggies and the lettuce thrown in, and it's been one of my favorites recently. I absolutely love it because you can put in so much variations and it just cooks in a snap. So yeah.
Nap time. We're going to nap now. He doesn't want to nap. Do you want to nap? He doesn't want to nap. But we got a nap.
Alright, we also got some salad stuff from Urban Kissan. Been indulging in a lot of salad, and I find it is just a good way to. This is butter lettuce. I like their salads. This is kale. I've been looking for kale for a while. When I tried to order in from online, as in from home, another butter lettuce, I'm very happy that kale's finally here. What else? We have fennel, nice one, and 2 iceberg lettuce inside. Okay, so, and I also have some more lettuce in the fridge. I'm going to bring that up first, use that, and then use these, but this is going to last me for almost a week.
So evenings are usually, sometimes on and off. I'll make sure that Rio is studying. He's a difficult kid to get him settled down with his books. But once he settles down, it's he's a quick reader, so he does read pretty well. But let me know if if your kid has similar problems, like getting him to sit is a nightmare. So that's what we did for, I think, like 30-40 minutes. And, it was almost time for dinner. Well, I did have to do a little bit of editing after, dinner was done, and it was pretty late. So I was almost wrapping up for the day, but this is usually my weekend. And thank you so much for watching.
Hey, thank you for watching. If you're still here, a big thank you for watching. And let me know if you do like the comment. At least don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And the content is free, so why not subscribe and share it among your friends and family. So again, thank you very much if you have subscribed, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.